Let's see how we can send a BoloForms signature template for response using BoloForms API. In the API documentation, we can get the base URL for sending the API request. The base URL will be this, and I will copy this and I will go to Postman for the demo request setup. Now we need to set up the headers and the body for the request. In the headers, we will need our BoloForms API key for the request to authorize. For the API key, we can go to our BoloForms dashboard and then settings, then API key, and we can copy our BoloForms API key, and then back in Postman, we will need to add the API key, and the key would be AX dash API dash key, and the value would be our API key. And for the body, we need to set up the JSON for the body, and the JSON would look something like this in the documentation. Let's copy this and explain this in Postman. The first parameter is signing type, and it should be PDF template. And next we have the receivers list. This should be an array of objects. Each object contains the details of each roles. Let's see. Suppose I need to send this template for signing. My this template have two role, one as role 1, one as role 2. And also I have a custom variable as company space name. And I will need to create my receivers list according to that role. I will add a name. I will add an email for that role. And I can add a message here. I can add a subject here that will be sent to that person. And I will need this role title exactly as in my template. So that would be role 1. And in the role color, it can be any hex code, but you cannot leave it empty. For the role 2, I will add another name. I will add an email. And for the role title, I will add role 2 as my role in the template. And for the custom variable, that would also be an array of object. As I have only one custom variable, I can add it here as company name, and the value here would be, and the rest is mail data. In this, you can add your subject for your email and message for your email. And here we have document ID. This document ID would be the document ID from here of your template. I will copy this and paste it right here. And this PDF data should be the base 64 of the PDF that is added to your template, or you can also add another base 64 from other PDF as well. I will convert my PDF to base 64 from here. Copy it and paste it in PDF data. Now I'll try to send the request. Okay, as you can see, I have the message as status updated successfully. This request has been complete and status as 200. Okay. I can go to my response for this template. And as I can see, the template has been sent to this email and to this email as we added them. So yeah, that's how you can send template for signature using BoloForms API.